Hi, David here, and I'm going to talk to you about what financial freedom is and how you can achieve it today. So we all have our own goals in life, and we want to achieve them as quickly as possible. One of the major goals that most people have is to achieve financial freedom. Not worrying about your finances and being able to support yourself and your family at all times sounds great. It might seem like a challenging goal, but everyone is able to achieve it. It's thanks to passive income, multiple income streams, and a lot of creativity that you will be able to make it work. So what's the definition of financial freedom? At its core, financial freedom means that you have enough cash, savings, or financial investments to cover all your expenses and needs. You have enough savings and money to retire or to pursue a career that, fulfills you from a professional standpoint. You're not constantly worrying about where you're going to find the next dollar from or next pound from. Basically, with financial freedom, you have your money working for you and you're not constantly working for money. So how do you achieve financial freedom? Firstly, you can learn to make money online. Whether you have a job or not, it's still a good idea to learn how to make money online. Having multiple income streams can bring you one step closer to financial freedom, and it can provide amazing success. It's a great idea to study about affiliate marketing, blogging, and other ways you can generate income. It can give you extra income you need, and you can set that aside on your road to financial freedom. Another thing you can do is pay off all your debts. You can't achieve financial freedom if you have lots of debts. That's why the best thing to do at the start is to repay all current debts. That will make it easier for you to achieve financial freedom, since you can make money and set it aside for future expenses. You can create a plan and invest early. Investing money is important because it allows you to use the money wisely and generate interest. There's a reason why some of the wealthiest people in the world are investing their money, and it's because it generates some additional wealth. Which is why if you want to create a good plan and start saving or investing early, you can get the best results. You can establish a contingency fund, because you never know, what issues are going to arise in your life. So it makes sense to have a contingency fund. You can use that money to cover any unexpected expenses. Having insurance can help quite a bit, since it covers expenses that otherwise would cost you a whole lot more. The other thing you can do is live below your means. It's very important because it allows you to save money that you would otherwise spend on expensive items. So instead, if you live below your means, you'll find it easier to save money, and you can bring yourself one step closer to financial freedom. So, for example, do you buy the £30,000 car to go to work or the £20,000 car to go to work? They both get you to work. And this is what it says about living below your means. That extra 10,000 that you would have paid for the car, that would have probably lost a huge amount of money, would be then going into paying off your debts or investing in another business. So, I'm going to recommend that really there are many tips and tricks that will get you to financial freedom much quicker than doing nothing. It might seem hard at first, reaching financial freedom. Some people might not even believe it's possible. But all you need to do is have the right amount of confidence and commitment to achieving your goals. Once you do that, you will be able to create financial freedom and push your life to new heights. So always remember, why are you doing this? It's really important to understand, why do you want financial freedom? What is it going to give for you? If you found this video really helpful, there's a link below or above this video that, I've written my own book of how I've achieved the laptop lifestyle by creating multiple income streams and achieving my own financial freedom. So if it's of interest to you, please just click the link and get the book. It can be really useful because it allows you, having financial freedom allows you to do what you want to do, not have to work for somebody for 40 plus years of your life. Thank you for watching.